ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಮುಸ್ಲಿಂ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಹಿಜಾಬ್ ನಂತರ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಲೇಜಿಂದ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಸತ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ದೂರು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ. ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟು ಕೆಲವು ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಲಿಟ್ರಸಿ ರೇಟ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿದ್ದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಮತ್ತು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಮೈನಾರಿಟಿ ಇರುವಂಥ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಭಾಳ ಆಸಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ವಿದ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಲಿಟ್ರಸಿ ರೇಟ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು.
People's Unions for Civil Liberties Karnataka has done a report. We have studied the impact of the judgment and we have tried to look at, we have tried to speak to Muslim women students in 4 districts. And with our limited interaction with barely 50 to 80 students, we have been able to get a sense of a very distressing impact that has very far-reaching consequences of academic lives. So they have been forced to either remove their hijab or continue their studies, or many have been forced to choose to drop out. So we have tried to demand from the government, where is the information? If there is 100% attendance, where is the proof? Because for PU college examinations, they take daily subject-wise attendance. So we need to see that what the CM is saying is true. Because it's not. The girls themselves have spoken about this. Muslim community has spoken about this. Principals and college administrators have spoken about this. And the PUCL report has been presented even in the Supreme Court with the given hearings. So what we need to demand from the Chief Minister even today is give us the information. Where is the attendance records of the PU college examinations? Not just PU college. The hijab ban was extremely illegally imposed on degree in institutions where it was not supposed to be imposed. So in degree college students, schools, and that impact has been everywhere. From teachers have been suspended, teachers have been forced to quit, to students in degree colleges have been forced to shift to other colleges or leave their studies altogether. So we need information, and we have been trying. Right, we have been talking. Many district officials, many education department officials, they say that we did not get instructions to collect this information, so we did not inquire into the impact of the High Court verdict. This is wrong because the community is speaking very loudly. We are just not listening to them.